morning, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I will be using my Cosori 6, how big is this air fryer? 5.8 quart air fryer. And I'm going to air fry some chicken wings. And I'll be using this Shore Lunch classic fried chicken breading. This will be my first time using it. So I've already washed my wings. Yes, I wash my wings. Some people don't. They say it's spreading more germs and bacteria when you wash them. Well, I sanitize everything afterwards, so I ain't worried. I wash my wings and I always dry them with a paper towel. Make them as dry as possible before I put anything on them. And I didn't cut any wing tips off. Okay? I always put yellow mustard, just regular yellow mustard on my wings. I don't do an egg wash. I just use the yellow mustard. Just a nice swig. So regular yellow mustard. I season my wings. I'm using this. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Champion chicken. Another honey sent me this. And my honeys are those who are subscribed to my channel. I call them Miss B's honeys. Some people may not know. If it's your first time watching, okay, that's a good amount. I'm using this Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend. It's not really hot, spicy. It just has a good flavor to it. I thought it was going to be hot like the hot sauce. You know, it does taste like the hot sauce. It's not hot. I'm using black pepper. And there's already salt in the seasoning blend and this stuff. So I don't need extra salt. So I'm going to put a glove on and smush this all together. So I'm going to show you how to make some perfect air-fried breaded wings. Okay, see how they looks? Just going to smush it. Make sure everything is evenly coated with the mustard and the seasoning. And your chicken will not taste like mustard at all. Just adds another layer of flavor. It has vinegar in it, so it's going to tenderize. It has turmeric in it, so it gives it a nice golden brown color. Plus turmeric is good for you if you got aches and pains, achy knees. Turmeric is good for that. Okay, these are... And I usually do my wings like this and put them in a vacuum seal bag and vacuum seal all these seasonings in it. Then I freeze it. And then when I'm ready to fix chicken, then it's ready to go. I thaw it out and it's ready. And all these seasonings will have been infused into the meat. Okay, I'm through with that part of it. Okay. I have a breader bowl. So I'm going to put the breading mix in the bowl. It comes in, it has a little cage thingy in it. So I don't even know what this smells like or anything. It's brand new. And it actually has coupons inside the box. $1 off coupon and also a 75-cent coupon. Okay. I'm gonna seal this bag back up. Okay. I only have 8 wings here. I'm not gonna fix all of them, so I don't need all this breading. I'm just gonna use. Oh, I can see the pepper in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells good. Just putting a little, because I don't want to waste my breading. And this is something I've never seen in my stores. This was sent to me from one of my honeys from Minnesota. So, now I can't identify what I'm smelling. Oh my goodness. This is so good, y'all. I think I need a little more. Ooh, this is really good. Something in here I can't identify. Okay. I'm going to drop my wings in here. Probably 4. I could have used my little air fryer for 4 wings. I got 4 wings left. Well, I'll use the big one for now. Since it's sitting here. Okay. This lid on. I'll leave a link in the description box for this breader bowl. I'm about to mess up. I'm going to preheat my air fryer. Preheat. Okay. I'll clip this for now. Shake up this chicken. See, the bread is in the bottom. There's the chicken on the little cage thing. Make sure the lid is on here good, and I'm holding this little right here and the handle. See if it's ready. Everything is evenly coated. Yes. See that? Yep, both sides. Okay, that's good. And while this is preheating, I'm going to draw y'all's attention to my merch. That flower on it. I have, what color is this shirt? The Heather Prism Lilac. That's this new color that I added to my merch. And it's my Just Winging It t-shirt. Really light purple. It's a lilac. And I have it on in the size 3X. And I'll probably cut it up, make me some strips, and cut the sleeves. Just Winging It wing on here, and my logo, Miss Bees Honeys. Miss Bees Honeys. And I have a coffee mug with this logo on one side. It's also in my merch on my Etsy shop. So I'll leave the link for this also. Okay. It's preheated long enough. Alright. Move this a little. And I got my air fryer sitting on top of a rolling tray. So I can push it back or roll it out from the wall. So all that hot air is not blowing on my wall. I'm going to roll it back. Stop it. Let me put my wings in here. Did I shake it again? Okay. That's good. Okay, I'm going to put the flat side up of the wing. And I don't plan on turning these wings over. Shaking off the excess breading. Try not to overlap the wings and things. Okay, 4. Even though I could have put all the wings in there, that's all I'm going to eat right now. So, Walter already got his pork chops seasoned and in the refrigerator. Like I eat wings just about every day. He can eat pork chops every day. Okay, I'm going to use my Evo oil sprayer, and I have olive oil in here. This was given to me by Cooking with Doug. I'm spraying them. Okay. And I'm going to, let's see what I'm doing. Pull this back out, turn it back on, put it on the chicken setting, and turn it on. Okay, I will be back. So it's cooking at 380 degrees at 25 minutes. And in my other air fryer, I always cook it at 400 degrees for 24 minutes. So, I'll be back. Okay, I'm smelling this chicken. It might be, you know what, these wings are smaller. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna turn this off now. Still got 3 minutes to go. I'm sure it's done. Yeah. Usually I get them Aldi wings and they're so huge. Let me get my basket. So I did not flip these wings over. Nice and golden on both sides. Yep. So I only sprayed one side since I didn't flip them. I sprayed this top side. Look at it. Very little residue in the fry basket. Look at it. Of course, it's grease at the bottom. I'll wash it later. They look delicious. Look at these perfect air fryer wings, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh, I gotta take a picture. Thumbnail picture. Okay. Okay, I'm smelling this chicken. It might be, you know what, these wings are smaller. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna turn this off now. Still got 3 minutes to go. I'm sure it's done. Yeah. Usually I get them Aldi wings and they're so huge. Let me get my basket. So I did not flip these wings over. Nice and golden on both sides. Yep. So I only sprayed one side since I didn't flip them. I sprayed this top side. nuggets. Very little residue in the fry basket. Look at that. Of course, it's grease at the bottom. I'll wash it later. They look delicious. Look at these perfect air fryer wings, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh, I gotta take a picture. Thumbnail picture. Okay. These are perfect air fryer wings, y'all. But if they don't taste good, then I don't care how cute they look. Okay, I'm about to taste them. I'm about to do the taste test. It's hot, hot. You can see it's good and done. I can usually smell when the food is done. And like I said, it browned good on both sides. Nice and crispy. Ooh. I can't believe it. I ain't never tasted nothing like it. No breading. But this tastes like the KFC original chicken. You know that good seasoning on the original? But their original is not crispy. This is crispy. You see the seasonings on it? I tried to make some KFC breading. It was good, but it didn't taste like KFC. This has that special something that KFC uses. I still can't figure out what's in this. Oh my goodness. This is good. They ain't gonna tell you what's in it. Oh my goodness. Now, this is really, really good. And I've never seen it here before. Never. Okay. Let me show you what I'm gonna have with it. And that chicken don't need no hot sauce, no ketchup, no nothing. Got me some potato salad. I like these little bowls for ice cream, potato salad, whatever. Portion control. So, this is my dinner. So I want to thank you all for watching. Thumbs up. Thank you, Joe, for my breading. I love it. I love it. I love it. Walter said he's going to put some of that on his pork chops. So, thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. And I'm about to get my eat on. And I'll put a link to everything I talked about in this video. I'll put it in my description box. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.